Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the exciting world of the iPad Mini 7. This much-anticipated mini tablet from Apple is set to make a big splash in 2024. With a host of impressive enhancements, the iPad Mini 7 promises to transform our expectations of what a compact tablet can do. Stick around as we explore every juicy detail about this device, which might just redefine what it means to have a small yet powerful tablet. Release and impact. The iPad Mini 7 is expected to make waves in the tech world with its release in 2024. Apple has packed this compact device with significant enhancements that are sure to impress. From a cutting-edge camera system to a sleek design, the iPad Mini 7 is poised to set new standards in the tablet market. This new model aims to redefine the compact tablet experience, offering powerful features and an elegant design that will appeal to a wide range of users. Camera system. One of the standout features of the upcoming iPad Mini 7 is its advanced camera system. Apple is gearing up to significantly raise the bar with this version. Central to these enhancements is the integration of Apple's latest photonic engine. This sophisticated technology maximizes image quality by reducing noise and enhancing color accuracy. This means every shot captured with the iPad Mini 7 is expected to be vivid, detailed, and true to life. Whether you're snapping photos of your favorite moments or capturing stunning landscapes, the iPad Mini 7 promises to deliver professional-level photography right in the palm of your hand. Photography and videography. For those passionate about videography, the iPad Mini 7 is rumored to support ProRes video recording. This feature is a game-changer for content creators and casual videographers alike. It enables users to capture high-resolution videos with remarkable detail and a wide dynamic range. Additionally, the iPad Mini 7 will likely include audio zoom technology. This intelligent feature enhances the audio depending on the camera's zoom level, ensuring that the sound remains focused on the subject of the video. Together, these features make for a more immersive audio-visual experience, perfect for creating high-quality content on the go. Design. Shifting our focus to the design, the iPad Mini 7 is anticipated to retain the iconic flat-sided design introduced with the iPad Mini 6. This sleek, minimalist look has become a hallmark of Apple's design philosophy, highlighting clean lines, simplicity, and elegance. The compact form factor makes the iPad Mini 7 easy to hold and use with one hand, making it the perfect companion for on-the-go use. Whether you're reading, browsing, or working, the iPad Mini 7's design ensures comfort and convenience without compromising on style. Color options. Apple is also known for adding a touch of personality to its products, and the iPad Mini 7 will be no exception. Rumors suggest the new model will introduce several color options inspired by the upcoming iPhone 15 lineup. These colors will include classic and sophisticated shades that add a touch of elegance to the device, perfect for users who prefer a timeless look. Additionally, there will be vibrant and energetic hues that stand out from the crowd, reflecting a sense of fun and individuality. With these new color options, the iPad Mini 7 will not only be a powerful tool, but also a stylish accessory. In summary, the iPad Mini 7 is set to redefine the compact tablet market with its powerful features and elegant design. From the advanced camera system with Apple's latest photonic engine to the professional-level photography and videography capabilities, this device promises to deliver an exceptional user experience. The sleek, flat-sided design ensures comfort and ease of use, while the new color options add a touch of personality and style. As we look forward to its release in 2024, it's clear that the iPad Mini 7 will make a significant impact, offering a small yet powerful tablet that meets the needs of a diverse range of users. Stay tuned for more updates and detailed reviews once the iPad Mini 7 hits the market. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech insights.